Hey guys, welcome to this mini studio vlog, St. Patrick's Day sticker edition. So you can see here I'm just adjusting the pictures that I drew so that I can print them. So here I'm just printing out my design and now I'm just sticking it onto the cutting mat and you'll see the mistake I made. So my mat isn't as sticky as it should be anymore, so I should have put tape on it and that's why it got stuck and ripped. So I just taped it down and put it back, and as you can see it still cut the other ones perfectly fine. So here's my little St. Patrick's Day sticker edition. Thank you for being here. Bye bye.